Jessica here with Jessica's Jeweled Art. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to talk to you guys about the differences between using the glue cubes that you get in your basic kit, and they look like these. Usually you get just one little cube, uh, and then there's the putty. And when you buy the putty, you get like these four strips for a real nominal fee. I think it was less than $3 at Hobby Lobby. Um, Now, a lot of times with the glue cubes, you don't even have to buy them because you'll get one in with your basic kit, where you get the little boat and then the pen. Now, uh, use a refillable pen, and I can put both in here. Now, um, the one of the things that I uh, don't necessarily like with the glue cubes is that sometimes they will leave a residue on your diamond painting. I have found that the putty, which I can also use in here, leaves less of a residue. Um, One thing that I also like, and I know we're always going for that snap sound, and you can definitely get it. I get it better with the putty than I do with the glue cubes. Now, when I want to use my multi-placer, and I have a video which I will leave at the end of this video that you can check out. Shows me filling my multi-placer with putty. So you can definitely use putty or the glue cubes in either one. I just find that I like the putty better. I think it stays moist longer. I also keep it in an airtight uh, container. And then my glue cubes I keep in this Ziploc bag. Now, one of the things I don't like about the glue cubes is the fact that they dry out very quickly. And then that can cause a problem in that you need to use more glue cubes because they're dry and they don't work anymore. Where the putty, by the nature of the way it's made, it does stay moist longer, and you can use it for a longer period of time, and you only need a very small amount. So, I hope this has helped you. The differences between the glue cube and the putty. Really, it is a preference. So, you do what you think will be best for the project that you're working on. But I just wanted to give you my suggestion. So this is Jessica's diamond painting hack number 2. Show up for number 3. And while you're doing that, subscribe, hit the notification button, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, will you? I appreciate you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.